Hi, my name is Rolly Magpayo. I'm a filmmaker and photographer. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to unbox the Xpg Primer RGB gaming mouse. Okay, key features. 12,000 dpi optical sensor. DPI stands for dots per inch. The higher the number, the more accurate or the more sensitive it is. So, most mice have 1,600 dpi, but this has 12,000 dpi. Selectable RGB lighting. This is purely aesthetics, but since I love my workstation, this feature will make my workstation look better. Double shot surface with PBT. Double shot means that the labels or the legends or some designs are mold injected and not printed on the surface. PBT is a less common kind of plastic but more durable than the more popular ABS plastic. Durable Omron switches. Omron mechanical switches are very popular because it's very durable, and this has 20 million clicks durability. So that's it. Okay. We have here the quick start guide in different languages. Here is the warranty guide. What else? And here is the Xpg Primer. That's the mold injected or double shot process. Textured for comfort. We have two side switches. This is a right-handed mouse. Scroll wheel, left and right, and these are the two buttons for the RGB lighting. This is the lightweight braided cable. Now I'm going to install this. I'm going to replace my cheap Logitech wireless mouse. Wow, look at that. Now I can change how the light displays. This is the first mode of the light. Multicolor RGB, which is changing. No light. Pulsating colors. Just red. Yellow. Green. Blue or cyan, purple, magenta, white, and back to the multicolor. Why did I replace my wireless mouse with the Xpg Primer? Because this mouse is wireless and sometimes it skips. Especially when I'm crossing from one monitor to the other. And this is not a very accurate mouse. It's not very sensitive. So it has 1,600 dpi and this has 12,000 dpi. Although I can adjust it or lower the dpi for less sensitivity. Now I'm testing the sensitivity of the mouse. This is normal. I'm going to press this button See? Next. This is faster. This is much faster. This is very accurate or very sensitive. Wow.
Thank you, Xpg Philippines, for giving me the opportunity to be part of the Xpg Force influencers. And thank you, Bashang, for sending me the Xpg Primer RGB gaming mouse.
If you like my unboxing, please click the like button. And if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll get notified whenever I upload new videos. Thank you.